Do you want to know how to doodle in your journal, plus different characters you can draw within a circle? Then stick around, and I'll show you how I doodle my characters. This video is a little bit different in that I didn't film myself talking in front of the camera this time. This portion of the video is a static video of myself. Hi guys, my name is Giselle. If you don't know me, or you're new to my channel, I'm a virtual teacher, an artist, a YouTuber, and an entrepreneur. You'll find tips on teaching, words of encouragement, and drawing with me videos. If you like this content and wish to see more videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and click that bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Now, let's get into the video. I purchased this journal last year thinking I would fill it up with doodles, dates, etc. No. I was all excited at the beginning and then lost some steam. I drew some doodles on the first page, but this positive note at the beginning rings true with each year. Let this year be God-driven. Let God guide you and lead you in the right path. 2020 was a year some people would like to forget, but always put God first in everything you do. Proverbs 3:5, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your paths straight. The circles were pre-drawn, so I wouldn't waste time in this video trying to make a circle. The boxes on the right are for the next video. Drawing with my favorite colored pencil, purple. I draw the doodles always in pencil first, and then I ink them in. The first circle is a little hamster. If you want to follow along, you can, or just watch the video. You can slow down the video if you choose to draw the hamster as well, or the other characters. I'm still working on that freebie. It's coming soon, and I haven't forgotten you. The chick's head didn't come out quite too round, but it's okay. I'm sitting in an awkward position because I put the tripod in front of the desk where I was sitting. It will be much better for the next video. I love corgis, and I wanted to draw one just for you. Well, for me too. You can place the doodle at the top, the bottom, or the corner, basically anywhere you'd like to put the doodle in your journal. There's no set rule where you have to put it. I drew my version of Totoro. Hope you enjoy it. Here I'm drawing one of my little cool cats with shades on, and he's in purple. I have an eraser because, well, I need to erase. I never really feel confident when drawing a line, and that's why erasers were invented. Oh yeah. You can look at your doodles every time you create a new page in your journal, or just refer back to the first page if you put all the doodles on one page, like I did. My last critter is a lamb, or my last character. I like just doodling cuddly characters. They're so cute. The page looked a little plain, so I added a few leaves close to the circles too. It's pretty easy to doodle these little leaves and create them on your page. If you haven't noticed, I'm using a lead pencil just to draw the leaves. I just felt like using a lead pencil for these little doodles. I'm using a MIcron pen, the thin liner. You can use a ballpoint pen for this also. I happened to draw outside of the lines when I drew some of these doodles, but it's okay. You can always use a ballpoint pen for the doodles if you don't have a MIcron pen and don't have the money to purchase one. I've been there when I don't have the money to buy something that I want or need, so I know how that is. I had to speed up some portions of the video in order for me to give you a shorter video, or else it would have been longer. But again, you can go in to settings and put it at a normal speed. I forgot to pick up a thicker liner to color in the nose and the eyes of some of these characters, but it's okay, I used the thin liner, but it's best to use a thicker liner when you're doing eyes and noses. Here I'm adding in a little red to give the characters a little bit of color on their cheeks. At the top of the page, I'm adding in the year 2021, the start of a great year. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you many blessings in this new year. This year is going to be much better. Please take care of yourself. Don't stress. Remember to lean on the only one who can help us all. Have a great day and a blessed week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. If you would like to support me and my channel, please check out some of my other videos.